Welcome to Island Metal Forge. Past few videos I have tested out and shown you guys a few alternative anvils, things you could find around the shop, find around the house, or easily acquire through scrap. Now I'm going to show you, a few ridiculous options that I don't think are going to work. This is more just for laughs and fun. I hope you guys understand that and enjoy the video. Thank you. Alright, I'm going to take a few swings with some ridiculous anvils now. Starting with wood. Not bad. Alright, let's try cinder block now. It was starting to work. Oh, that was ridiculous. Right, now I'm going to try a red brick from a construction site. Holding up. Yep. Broke. Alright, let's try a bit of concrete now. Well, it didn't break, but you can see I'm chipping right into it. This will probably break right after the end of the day. Alright, so as expected, the brick, the cinder block, both broke in half. Pieces went flying everywhere, and the concrete was just chipping like crazy. I did have my safety glasses on, and as you always should if you're working around in your shop. The wood, I didn't expect that to work. That's more for, straightening out twists and stuff like that. Anyway, glad you guys enjoyed the anvil series. Unless I can think of any more, I'm going to move on to some, random tools, hand tools, hammers, tongs and stuff like that over the coming weeks. Hearts and health, guys. Thanks for watching.